And now I can open this up, take this as my reminder, turn off the water. You don't want to forget that when you take something like this off. So now what I have left is that ring there. Oh, it did turn. I'm going to see if I can I have a couple of tools here to try to get that off. But first we're going to just see if we can wiggle it off. Yeah, maybe not. I've got this tool. I'll put a link in the description below for this as well. And you use it to go ahead and pull off this ring right here. What do they call it? Compression ring. And so that's what we'll go ahead and use this. There we go. And there's our compression ring. Thanks all for watching. Share it, be sure and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.